currency pairs. The logic of trading in currency pairs is based on which currency will gain, lose value in the future. Buying Euro US dollar means that we expect Euro to be more valuable compared to US dollars. Contract size is 100,000 units for all currency pairs, so one lot's long position in Euro US dollar currency pair is equivalent to an investment worth 100,000 euros. Let's say the purchase price was 1.15000 at the time we opened a position in Euro US dollar. If we wanted to close the one lot position at 1.15500 level, the profit would simply be the difference between the 5 decimals of the pair, 15500 and 15000, which is 500, denominated in the second currency, US dollars in this case. So ultimately you would profit $500 from this trade.